Hello students, we have been facing difficulties from different kinds of pollution present in the environment. This is very serious problem in the world. It causes harmful effects on plants, animals, including humans. Pollution is an undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, water or soil. Substances which make such an undesirable change are called pollutants. I have told you this topic in previous video session. If you not watched that, I am giving that link below in description. Well, in this session I am going to talk about different kinds of pollution. This is Lodi Attaya, I am your biology trainer. There is some criteria to classify types of pollution. It includes which part of environment is getting pollution. The part of getting pollution. Pollutants are releasing from which point to the environment? The point of emission. What is the source of pollution? The source of pollution. Based on this criteria, so different kind of pollutions are there. First of all, we will discuss which part of environment is getting pollution. In the environment, there are three parts: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Pollutants like smoke, volcanic gases, industrial gases make air dirty. Here atmosphere getting polluted. Let you say this is air pollution. Pollutants like sewage, industrial waste make water dirty. Here hydrosphere getting polluted. You can say this is water pollution. Pollutants like solid wastes, industrial wastes, radioactive wastes make soil dirty. Here lithosphere getting polluted. You can say this is soil pollution. Understood, students? Let us take another criteria such that how pollution is originating. What is the source of pollution? Volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, forest fires, landslides, marsh gas. Did you know what is marsh gas? It is methane gas. It is released from paddy fields and cattle. Dust storms, ozone, UV rays. Such things we have been found naturally. Natural things can be adding large quantities of toxic gases and particulate matter into the environment. You can say this is natural pollution. This has been created 99.95% of pollution out of 100% of environmental pollution. Smoke from combustion of fossil fuels, industries, oil noise, insecticides are making environment dirty. You can say human activities are making environment dirty. Understood, students? You can say this is an anthropogenic pollution. This has been creating 0.05% of pollution out of 100% of environmental pollution. It is quite small in quantity than natural pollution. Understood, students? Not only that, we look another criteria. Let us take the point of emission of pollutants, the point of emission. For example, sewage contains a different kind of pollutants. Here, sewage is a single point. It contains many kind of pollutants. You take another example, chimney. Pollutants are emitting from a single point. You can say this is a point source emission. Pollutants are added to the environment from a definite source or a single point. Understood, students? Let you observe around you. Waste is coming from different points like agricultural fields, construction points, streets. Here pollutants are coming from different points or sources. You can say this is non-point source pollution, or you can say it is a diffuse source pollution. Let you take a mining area, or you take a chemical factory. The whole area is responsible for generating pollutants to the environment. You can say this is a area source pollution. Well students, this is our topic. I hope you understand well. We will meet in the next topic. Until I am signing off. This is Lodettaya. I am your biology trainer. Thank you.